place your hand over your heart. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently release it. Again, breathe in and let your shoulders soften. For this moment, you do not have to fix anything. You do not have to figure out the whole journey. You only have to return to this breath. Inhale, I am here. Exhale, I am safe. Inhale, I am healing. Exhale, I release the weight. If this season has felt heavy, honor yourself for still being here. Your breath is proof that life is still moving through you. And with every breath, you are gently coming back home to yourself.